Why, hello there. Come on in. Welcome to my humble abode. Ready, Bo? Fetch. What's up, JK Adventure fans? Y'all already know who it is. We are back from vacation.
Yes.
As you guys probably seen in our last vlog, we went to Panama City with some friends. Had an amazing time. The only thing is culture shock. And I don't mean it in a race way, I mean it in more of a seasonal way. Who knew they actually had seasons? So everything was closed. But today, as anybody that goes on vacation normally does, is you bring back some kind of alcohol. So we're gonna crack open some wine.
Yeah, you guys saw we went to this little Panama City winery and we purchased some wine.
Nice little mango wine. So we're gonna open that up, but
we're gonna do Blue's advent calendar and then I'm gonna attempt to make flan for the first time.
Flan.
I've never made it before. It looks easy, so why not give it a wang danga, right?
Give it a wang danga. Good old wang danga.
Alright guys, so we left off on day 9. So now we're gonna find day 10 over here. Obviously, the treats are really in here.
He's excited.
Smell? Okay, so day 10, now day 11. What a shocker. Some more
Topper.
11, 12. Ooh, this is a big one, bum bums. Let's see. Oh, look, it's like a little hot cocoa.
Aw, it doesn't have a face?
No.
Oh.
This is coming right off. So that's day 12. 13.
Treats.
Treats. 14.
Right beside time.
More treats. And today's 15.
15's a toy. Another ball.
Aw, this one's cute too. It's a little green and red.
Oh, geez.
Wow. But that concludes our adventures, our advent calendar. We're caught up. Today's day 15.
Our adventure calendar.
Yeah, our adventure calendar. Time to crack open that wine and make some flan. Are we good? Woo!
And yes, we're ghetto. We don't have wine glasses, but pour them up. You gotta be fancy with it.
A little aeration.
Look at here, really working. What if we aerate this wine and it doesn't taste like mango anymore?
We aerate all the flavors out.
She's gonna do a half a bottle per person.
I'm just doing like halfway.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh, that's good. Here are my ingredients that I'm going to be using for my flan. Obviously, I have a flan pan. Okay. Then you need like table cream, evaporated milk, and condensed sweet milk, vanilla extract, sugar, some eggs, and a blender. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting by caramelizing the sugar. I did half a cup. It says to just stir, like constantly stir it until it gets like caramel. So you just gotta keep it on low and just stir your little heart away. We got our caramel. Might be sus, but you know, it's an experiment. Now we're gonna pour a can of evaporated milk. A can of condensed milk.
That's my favorite. That on some toast. Oof.
Fun fact, I don't even really like flan. I just wanted to make it. So Kirk gets a whole flan to himself.
She knows how to please her man.
And then this like mediana crema, it's like half
Looks like expired milk.
It's like
Medium cream.
heavy, yeah, heavy cream.
Heavy cream. That is the heaviest medium cream I've seen.
2 tablespoons of vanilla extract.
2 tablespoons.
And then 5 huevos.
You want hand cracked?
No. You see these nails? First one. And now we blend. I'm just straining it because they said if you strain it like 2 or 3 times, it's supposed to come out creamier. So just strain it my little heart away. It cracked.
Because the fucking ground is too cold. Caramel cracked, guys. Now she's stressing. Look at her. I say just continue with the process. Trust the system.
It's all cracking. Alright, it might be a flan without caramel at the top, but I mean...
Crunchy bites. How long do you gotta bake it for?
375 for about 50 minutes in a pan with water. I think it's like halfway.
One hour later.
Alright guys, so we took our flan out of the oven. We're gonna let it cool down and then we're gonna pop it in the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow you'll get the big reveal of what it looks like. I'm a little worried.
Me too.
But that's gonna end out tonight's vlog, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next video.